Roderick Reed, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Zone 1 Commander, St. James Division. Now we are here at the entrance to the Salt Spring community, where we have conducted a number of policing activities. We have done NCRBs, that is the National Coordinated Roadblocks, in this space to ensure that this area is safe for all citizens within this space. Now presently, the Salt Spring community is under a 48-hour curfew, and as such, we the police are in this space to ensure that all citizens within this area are safe. This is against the background of recent violence within the space, where we saw, unfortunately, 2 community members losing their lives and another 2 in the hospital in critical conditions. Now, this curfew is in place to ensure that we maintain peace and normal activities within the Salt Spring space, and to ensure that all citizens are safe and are able to conduct their business as well as go about their daily lives. Now, the community in several areas is still without the essential of electricity, and individuals saw it fit to use the cover of dark to carry out their illegal activities. Now, we the police are here to ensure that all members that are law-abiding citizens within the Salt Spring space are safe and are able to conduct themselves in peaceful environments. Now, this curfew, as indicated, will continue for another 48 hours, and we are asking all community members to work with us, the police, to ensure that all peace is maintained as we carry out our activities. Bear with us, and we will see through.